Fix a leaky Delta shower faucet, 1300 or 1400 series. Cartridge replacement guide. Is your Delta shower head still dripping after you've turned the water off? A worn-out cartridge is usually the culprit. Fortunately, replacing it is a straightforward repair that can stop the leak and restore proper water control. Tools and materials. Needed Delta RP46074 replacement cartridge, 1 8-inch. Allen wrench adjustable pliers if needed. Plumber's grease towel or rag white vinegar, optional for cleaning mineral buildup. Step 1. Confirm the correct cartridge before purchasing a replacement. Verify your shower valve model. This repair applies to Delta 1300 series, Delta 1400 series. Multi-choice valves manufactured after 2005. Most use the Delta RP46074 cartridge with a gray cap. Even though cartridges may appear similar, small design differences can prevent proper installation, so double-check before buying. Step 2. Shut off the water supply. Turn off both the hot and cold water supply lines before beginning the repair. If your shower has built-in shut-off valves behind an access panel, use those. Otherwise, shut off the main water supply to the house. Step 3. Remove the handle. Place a towel over the drain to prevent losing screws or small parts. Using a 1 8-inch Allen wrench, loosen the set screw underneath the handle. Pull the handle straight off. If mineral deposits make removal difficult, soak the handle in vinegar for a few hours. Step 4. Remove the trim and retaining nut. Take off the decorative chrome sleeve by pulling or gently twisting it. Next, remove the brass retaining nut that secures the cartridge inside the valve body. Step 5. Remove the old cartridge. Grip the cartridge stem and pull it straight out. If it's stuck, wiggle it side to side. Move it up and down gently. Use adjustable pliers if necessary. Keep in mind that some trapped water may drain from the valve when the cartridge is removed. Step 6. Compare. The old and new cartridges. Place the old and new cartridges side by side. Make sure the shape matches. The tabs are in the same position. The spacing is identical. Also locate the hot marking on the new cartridge. Correct orientation is essential for proper operation. Step 7. Install the new cartridge. Apply a thin layer of plumber's grease to the O-rings and sealing surfaces. Then, align the cartridge tabs with the slots inside the valve body. Insert the cartridge firmly into place. Ensure the hot side faces the hot water inlet, usually on the left side. Push until fully seated. Step 8. Reassemble the faucet. Reinstall. Brass retaining nut chrome sleeve handle, if necessary. Lightly grease the sleeve O-ring for easier installation. Finally, tighten the handle set screw with the Allen wrench. Step 9. Adjust the hot water limit. Stop on top of the cartridge is a white plastic temperature limit stop. To adjust, pull it outward slightly. Rotate it to increase or decrease maximum hot water temperature. Reinstall it in the desired position. This feature helps prevent accidental scalding, especially in homes with children. Turn the water supply back on slowly. Test the faucet through all temperature settings. Cold, warm, hot allow. The shower to run for several minutes to flush out any debris. Then turn the faucet off and monitor it for 30 to 60 minutes. If installed correctly, the dripping should be completely gone. Replacing a Delta 1300 or 1400 series cartridge is one of the most effective ways to fix a leaking shower faucet. By following these steps carefully, you can eliminate annoying drips, improve temperature control, and extend the life of your shower valve.